Hello everyone, welcome back to Jilly's Nails. Today we are going to do a fun snow manicure. I'm going to use this Maniology plate. It's the Mani by Me 020. And here are all the polishes that we used. We're going to talk about this Pop-Arrazzi polish in another video. I've also put all the names in for you so that you can pause it if you want to and write them down. I did this off camera, but I've already stamped a snowman outline in a lilac colored stamping polish so it would leave a little shadow. And this manicure is actually inspired by the music in the background. I don't know why, but sometimes YouTube music, just music in general, it inspires me. I was actually a music major in college. Um, but I love this one. It's called Night Snow. So we're going to do a nighttime snow manicure. And that base color is a paparazzi color. It's called Darkness Falls. These are very similar to me to Sinful Colors polish. I bought this at CVS. I'm sure it's not a new brand, but it is new to me. I've never seen them before, never played with them, never tried them. Love them so far. And I've been having a really hard time getting Sinful Colors polish, so it'll be interesting to see if these hold up. Now I went ahead on my ring finger and just used the frozen polish for Maniology. Dropping stuff. Anyway, I used the frozen polish and kind of did a French tip almost. I wanted it to look like a snowy hill. I'm going to put the snowman on that finger. And then we also have a little snowfall that's coming down. I'm also using the frozen polish on this. Oddly, when I stamped it over this, it came out kind of a grayish silvery tone, but still white. It was weird. It was almost like it was a little multi-dimensional. I really liked it. Now, this stuff. Oh my hollow. It was good. It was a pain in the rear to put on, and I got a little zealous. I got a little overzealous when I was painting that nail, but look at that hollow. And it shines like that inside office lighting. I have never seen a hollow polish that is that hollow, ever, never in person. It's really, really good. So if you can handle trying to deal with the glitter placement, highly recommend that one. So I went through and just stamped the snowman on top of the hill, and as you can see, it kind of gives his body a little bit of shape since I used that lilac colored polish. It almost gave it a little shadow, and you'll really be able to see it better when it's up close. But it's absolutely just adorable. And that hollow, I can't get over it. The name of that hollow, by the way, is Stars Shine, or Star Shine. Again, those are like $2.99 from CVS. Very impressed so far. And I'm still wearing this manicure actually on Thursday. I did this on Sunday and really like it. The colors are okay. The base coat chipped a little bit, but to be fair, this was on pretty thick. I had several layers of polish on here, so it was a pretty thick one. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished with his little face stamped on there. I thought he was super cute, and surprise, we're doing both hands. So I've already gone in and forgot to record it and added the base shadow color. The hardest part about this manicure to me was finding contrasting colors that still gave me shadows and things like a nighttime sky would. So I went with that kind of lilac dusty purple, hoping it would give the impression of a purpley kind of snow effect. I think it looks really good in person. On camera, I'm not 100% sure it all translates quite as well. I grabbed the other snowflake plate out of that Maniology Mani by Me box, and I'm going to grab this and pick up several images at once. And this is one of the fun things about stamping, is if you're careful and with a lot of practice, you can kind of stamp a big image but use different parts on different nails. You just have to be very careful and very cautious and take your time. And you can go in and stamp a big image all over it and just use little pieces on different parts of your nails. It does take practice though, and you will screw it up a couple times as you're learning, but overall it's really cool technique and it saves a lot of time. So I'm just going to stamp one more here and then go back into my other index finger and go in a little lighter with that awesome glitter polish that is hollow as heck from Pop-Arrazzi. So I really hope you enjoy this mani. Tell me what you think. Does it fit the music? Is it nighttime snow? Do you love it? Click on my face if you want to subscribe in the upper left hand corner, and click in the upper right hand corner for more videos. Thanks for watching.